This is me walking around the block. Walking my dog Pepper. Pepper! Hi Pepper! Getting some exercise over here. We're on Broadway right now. Just chilling. Just straight up hood. They're making it better. Got the large right across the street. Here, the J train, that's the J train. J train! Woo woo! Broadway, walking towards Putnam Avenue. It's the bodega. Bodega. Make a left right here. This is Putnam. Holla at your boy. Putnam between, I think that block right there is Howard. Yeah, Howard. Right between Howard and Broadway. Pepper. It's Pepper. We're walking, huh? A lot of snow. This is the snow that's dropped for the year 2013. Over 12 inches. But it's already melting. Because today it's nice and warm. The sun is out. Not too hard, but enough to melt the snow a little bit. People still shoveling, as you can hear. You know. Look at the sky. The sky is clear. Clear sky out there. I think this building right here, 1058, it's the Darren's building. Could look like mines, but it's not. You know. It's Darren's my landlord. He's a bitch. I found out. Pepper. Pepper's enjoying this cold weather. She likes it, man. Because they get too much heat in the house anyway. Come on. Come on, you keep driving me nuts. Come on. She don't know where she's going. She don't know if she's going left or right. Right here in this corner, this is Howard. We're about to make the left. Here's a fucking group home facility for teenage kids. I think all the way to like 16 or something. It's run by the state. You know, or back kids right here. Disrespecting their moms and everybody, parents. You know, you make a left right hand in Howard Avenue. There's Howard between Jefferson and Putnam. You know, you can see this juvie center over here. You know, Pepper's walking in front of it. Pepper, hey Pepper. What's up, Mama? You know, and this is Jefferson right here. We're gonna make a left right here. You know, so see the snow? A lot of snow. They cleaned up the streets so the traffic won't be all messed up. So by the time I go to work tomorrow, I'll be good money. Okay, we just made this left. This is the hood. Welcome to my hood. Holla.